Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Credit Karma. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in creditkarma.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Credit Karma website. Now, in order to create a new account, click on the sign up button that you see right on the home page. You will then be taken into the registration page. Now, within the create your account page, you will be asked to enter your email address and your desired password for your account. So just type in the email address that you wish to use and then type in your account password. Then click on the sign up button and you will need to fill up your basic information. Start by entering your first and your last name within the respective box and then choose your reason for joining Credit Karma, which is optional. Now click on the continue button and you will be asked to enter your address. Start by entering your street address followed by your apartment or your unit number and enter your city. Then select your state and finally type in your zip code. After entering all of these information, click on the continue button and you will be taken through the final process of verifying your account. For this, you will need to check your inbox, within which you will be given your verification code. So log into your email account that you used while signing up and you will find your verification code that you can simply enter within the next screen. After entering your verification code and proceeding forward, your account will officially be created and you will now be able to use the Credit Karma services. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Credit Karma. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.